Replace your flour with Nature's Eats almond flour. When you do, people get a little crazy.
Oh no.
Nature's Eats is gluten-free and has 50% fewer calories and 90% fewer carbs than regular flour. Nature's Eats Almond Flour and Almond Flour Plus. Almond flour means more protein and more deliciousness. Almond Flour Plus rises and bakes like traditional flour, and with fewer carbs and more protein than regular flour. You're gonna wanna snag it quick. But big flour, well, they don't like that one bit.
Flour made with nuts.
We only want all-purpose flour. Our flour has delicious things like bleach and benzoyl peroxide. Nature's Eats only has almonds and 10,000 five-star reviews. Oh no.
I told you, choose only regular flour. Never.
For almond flour.
I love it. I love it.
Nature's Eats almond flour. Visit your local grocery store.
We
Looks
need
good.
more cucumbers.
Yeah.
Is she?
Nature's Eats almond flour. Visit your local grocery store.